Okay, so earlier I showed you we got the wire up on the coop. Look at this little DIY roosting thing we figured out while we saw on YouTube. So we built this earlier, this little support table, and then come in, grab the eggs through here. Bingo. Quick and easy. We just want to get them in here. Check this out. For now, just kind of rotate them.
Just to keep them fixed for you.
Oh, we got the bridge holding and stuff. They're pretty stable. And we use 4x4s for the legs, so that's a stable box to add. Hopefully we can fit it inside. And there you go. Pretty accessible from the back. Close it if we ever put some duct tape or a little hingy on there. Quick and easy. This is our potato bed right there, so eggs and potatoes this time next year for sure.